Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening a pen pal letter from my friend Claudia. In this first part, I am just going through all the gifts she gave me. They're all very cute. I'm not going too in depth with them, just showing you all the little things she gave me in the letters. And then I jump quickly into what I am going to gift her and what I'm going to write her. These stickers that she gave me are adorable, and she handmade them herself and cut them herself, and I love them so much. Now I'm laying everything out for you guys to see. She is just the sweetest. I love Claudia, and her YouTube on here is Sunrise Notes. She has awesome videos. Now I'm getting into writing a letter for her. I write it on this very small piece of paper for some reason, and it takes like 3 pages because I write so huge. But I get into answering her questions and writing her back, and it was a lot of fun. She asked me a lot of fun questions too. I was writing her back when I got back from a trip to Europe. So there is a postcard I am filling out. I'm actually not writing it from where I was, but I just wanted to give her something from my trip. She usually gives me art pieces, so I decided to give her an art print I made a while ago, and then I rummaged through my stickers to give me stickers I think would match her taste. After some stickers, I collected some stuff I got from my trip, like the paperclip and the stickers there. Then I cut out previous stickers I've made before that say, "You are my sunshine." Now I am grabbing some washi that I think fits her personality and rolling it onto a playing card. I think that's really easy when sending mail to pen pals or putting in Etsy orders. It's so much fun to play with your washi and figure out what you think suits them best. So I gave her a kind of themed colors, and I really like them. Now I'm putting all the little things in a little tiny envelope that I got from Hobby Lobby, just so it's all secure and safe when traveling to her. We live quite a few states away, so I wouldn't want anything to get all messed around. Then I grab a pencil from London and put all my things together, and now it's time to package it. I reuse little plastic bags from Etsy orders or shop orders that I've bought online, and just to keep everything safe and secure. And since it was a thicker package, I didn't want anything to move around or break open and lose everything. With everything sealed up, it's time to decorate the front of the envelope. I shut it, and then I tape it with clear tape so it doesn't fall, anything falls out, and then I go over it with some washi that I got from France, and it's so pretty. It's from the Palace of Versailles. Then we're grabbing a stamp and putting it on there, and I think that's it. I don't think I do any more decoration. I put a lot of stamps on it for some reason just to be safe, but that's it. I really hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. And I really hope you guys subscribe. Let me know if you want more pen pal videos like this one.